Hey everyone, welcome to VisualFractions. In today's video, we're going to show you how to divide fractions with ease. Now, if dividing fractions sounds tricky to you, don't worry. Once you learn the simple steps, we're going to walk you through 3 examples so that by the end, you'll feel confident dividing fractions on your own. So, how does dividing fractions work? There's a simple rule to remember. Keep, change, flip. Here's how it breaks down. Keep the first fraction as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip the second fraction, meaning you find its reciprocal. Once you've done that, it becomes a multiplication problem. If you need a refresher on how to multiply fractions, check out our video on multiplication. The link is in the description below. Let's dive into our first example. Example 1. We're dividing 1/2 by 3/4. First, keep the first fraction, 1/2. Next, change the division sign to multiplication. Then, flip the second fraction. 3/4 becomes 4/3. So now, we're solving 1/2 times 4/3. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 4 equals 4. Multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 equals 6. That gives us 4/6. Now, both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 2, so we can simplify the fraction. When we divide both 4 and 6 by 2, we get 2/3. And if you want to learn more about multiplying fractions, we've made a whole video on that. Check out the link in the description. Example 2. Next, let's try 5/6 divided by 2/3. Keep the first fraction, 5/6. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 2/3 becomes 3/2. Now we're solving 5/6 times 3/2. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 3 equals 15. Multiply the denominators. 6 times 2 equals 12. So we get 15/12. Both 15 and 12 are divisible by 3, so we simplify by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3. This gives us 5/4, which can also be written as the mixed number 1 and 1/4. Example 3. Lastly, we have 3/4 divided by 4/8. Keep the first fraction, 3/4. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 4/8 becomes 8/4. Now we're solving 3/4 times 8/4. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 8 equals 24. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 4 equals 16. So we get 24/16. Both 24 and 16 are divisible by 8, so when we simplify by dividing both by 8, we get 3/2, which can also be written as 1 and 1/2. And that's it. Remember, keep, change, flip, and dividing fractions becomes just another multiplication problem. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the description for more useful resources on fractions. And if you have any other fraction-related questions, head over to VisualFractions.com. It's got everything you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.